I'm gonna show you how to get to the Switch Palace, even though it looks pink. Hmm. It needs the cape feather or not work properly without the powers. So you need to glide your way over there. Yeah. Eventually needs to be like a glide. Eventually like this. Yeah. No power unless it's this one. Then I'm gonna save that for later. It's about to right here. And do not do it and I'm just gonna take this quick, but you don't have to. I'm just gonna do this. Go through here. You just find the Yoshi coin and a key. Where does the key go? I lost the key! That was the whole thing! You can just kill that guy. Like that. Need a key feather for this. Or you can just do it with Yoshi. Bums, you gotta bring him. You can't. Yep. You cannot climb with them. You can swim with them though. I'm just see them. Let's just see one shot. Yep. It's just a one shot. Do not get fire though. Yeah, all she do is just protect me. Warrior shoot to look. Yep. Nice, you cannot climb with them. That's the buffer you need to go through. Sorry, go through. We're gonna just get another key feather. Yes. It needs gliding. Yep. That's how you do it. Oh, get that out of here. And boom. Yes, finally. Very safe that. There's every single Koopa. There's every single Koopa in there. Yep. Yes. This looks pink. Where's the red? I'm gonna try this. Bye bye, guys. You just fast forward, right? And like and subscribe and comment, okay? And what game should I play next? It's not Roblox, okay? No Roblox.